The Shark RV2320S Matrix self-emptying robot vacuum is a game-changer for anyone looking to maintain a consistently clean home with minimal effort. Its standout feature is the Bagless self-emptying base, which holds up to 30 days of dirt, dust, and debris, drastically reducing the need for frequent maintenance. This makes it perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who wants to enjoy the convenience of hands-free cleaning without constantly worrying about emptying the vacuum. Equipped with intelligent navigation, the Shark Matrix moves efficiently around furniture, walls, and obstacles while thoroughly cleaning floors. Its advanced sensors allow it to detect and avoid obstacles while still reaching tight corners and edges, ensuring no area is left untouched. The combination of strong suction and optimized brush rolls makes it effective on both hard floors and carpets, capturing dust, crumbs, hair, and larger debris with ease. The self-emptying feature is one of the most practical elements of this model. Once the robot returns to its base, all collected debris is automatically transferred into the storage compartment, leaving the robot ready for its next cleaning cycle. This setup not only saves time, but also reduces exposure to dust, which is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers. Users can enjoy weeks of cleaning without handling the collected debris, making home maintenance much more manageable. In addition to its cleaning power, the Shark RV2320S offers smart connectivity and easy controls. Through compatible apps or voice assistants, users can schedule cleanings, monitor performance, and customize cleaning modes. The system intelligently maps the environment over time, improving efficiency and reducing redundant paths, which saves battery life and ensures thorough coverage. Its sleek and durable design complements any modern home, while quiet operation allows it to work without disturbing daily activities. Battery life is sufficient to clean multiple rooms on a single charge, and the automatic return-to-base function ensures it never gets stranded mid-clean. Overall, the Shark RV2320S Matrix self-emptying robot vacuum combines powerful suction, smart navigation, and an innovative 30-day bagless base to deliver one of the most convenient and efficient cleaning experiences on the market. Its combination of hands-free operation, reliable performance, and intelligent design makes it one of the best choices for anyone looking to simplify home cleaning and maintain spotless floors effortlessly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.